Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove potassium permanganate stains from clothes. First, act quickly and blot excess dye with a clean cloth to avoid spreading. Then mix a mild detergent with cold water and gently dab the stain from the edges inward, repeating as needed. For stubborn discoloration, test a 3% hydrogen peroxide solution on an inconspicuous area before treating the stain fully. Act fast and minimize spread by blotting with a clean cloth, not rubbing. Use cold water to prevent setting and avoid heat. For fresh stains, apply liquid detergent and rinse repeatedly. If color persists, try a diluted 3% hydrogen peroxide test on a hidden seam and wait 5 minutes before rinsing. Always work from fabric edge towards center and avoid machine drying until the stain is gone. Stain removers with oxygen bleach can be effective on many fabrics when used per instructions. For delicate or colored garments, seek professional cleaning advice to avoid damage. Avoid mixing bleach with ammonia or acids to prevent hazardous fumes. After treatment, rinse thoroughly and air dry to confirm stain removal. Repeat treatment only if the fabric tolerates it and test in an inconspicuous spot first to preserve fabric.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.